Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what this is a gooseneck tablet holder that's from this brand right here. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. Let's take it out. So when I first take out the product, here it basically actually looks like. So you can see for the one that we got right here is a white and gray color. They do have this available in a black one as well. So if you guys prefer that, you can get that instead. So if you guys see my previous video, I actually tested another product that is very similar to this one right here. But for that one, you guys can use it for phone. This one is designed for tablets. You can see how big the clamp is on here. So the way how I use it is actually very simple. You basically want to open it up because it is adjustable gooseneck. So that way you can angle it how you guys want to. And when you guys remove this part here, it is pretty tight. So it might take some strength for you guys to kind of push it. But you do have the option to angle it how you guys want to. Same thing for this part on top. But you basically want to open it up and then put your tablet on there. So if you put like an iPad or something else, you do have the option to put whatever you guys want on here. But if you guys want to put your phone, it probably will not work because it's too big. But right here in the middle, we do have the brand logo. And throughout the sides, they do have like the non-scratch material. That's all like non-slip material as well. So that way when you guys do clamp it on here, it does have that protection. And also that way it won't slide off when you guys do use it. Whereas for the bottom part right here, you guys want to loosen it up. And that way allows you guys to clamp it onto your table or wherever you guys want to set this up. It does go pretty far, you can see. If you can see the inside, they also have like the non-scratch material on here as well. There's also like the non-slip material. So that way when you guys do clamp it on the table, it has that protection. But once you guys clamp it on the table, you basically want to just tighten this part up by turning it. And it's all set. So I'm actually clamp this onto my table right here to show you guys what the product looks like. And then we'll show you guys the tablet right here. You basically want to clamp it in like this. And once you guys do that, you guys can close this part right here to tighten it up. Alright, so once you guys tighten it all the way, and once it's all secure, then it's all set with this side. So let me actually bring back the camera over to the other side and show you guys what it actually looks like when you do use it. Alright, so we got it set right here. So I do have it set up on the corner of my table right here. But once you guys set that up, then you can start using it. So let's say I want to angle it like this, and then move it up. Turn it this way. And I basically want to get my iPad and put it on there. Alright, so I do have my iPad. Let's test it out to see when actually it works with the case on first. Alright, so for this case, it doesn't really work too well. So I'm actually take off the case. Alright, so I just took off the case. If you guys try again. Alright, so when we try again with the case off, you can see the product definitely does work. And it is pretty stable. And if you guys want to move it around, you do have the option to move it around if you guys want to. Let me actually move the camera a little bit to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so here is another point of view of what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. So see, I do have to set up on a table, and for this part it's adjustable to however you guys want to, which is kind of cool. And if you guys notice the clamp that's on here is pretty strong, it actually holds the iPad pretty well. And if you guys are curious about what the back part looks like, let me actually rotate it. Alright, so that is basically what the back part looks like. But we see how flexible the product is when you guys actually use it. You do have the option to rotate it or move it around however you guys want to, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality tablet holder that you can put onto your table that also has an adjustable gooseneck design. So that way you can move it however you guys want to throughout your whole entire room, or if you guys want to use it for live stream or something, you do have the option available. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.